In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to upgrade Fairmoney account. So let's say, for example, you just created your Fairmoney account and you're going to see the page just like this. So the first section says get a loan in 5 minutes, earn up to 24% interest, complete your Fairmoney bank account setup so you have access to more features on the Fairmoney app. So the next thing you're gonna do is just to click on continue on that particular one. So that one will allow you to upgrade your account and you have access to more features on the Fairmoney app. So once you click on that, they're gonna ask you to provide your BVN. So on this page right here, you have to put in your BVN account number so that you will be able to proceed and upgrade your Fairmoney account. So I'm going to provide my own right here, so then I can submit that. So I'm going to paste in, then click on submit, then let's see what pops up. So right here they're going to ask me to take a selfie. We require this selfie to verify your identity. Please keep in mind the points below. Make sure you are not wearing glasses, make sure your face is inside the frame, and also make sure there is a good lighting on your face. So I'm gonna try that right now. You can also see we do not share your information with anyone. Your data is 100% safe. So I think they actually follow that promise. So I'm gonna quickly try that and see how it works. All right, so I'm gonna take the selfie right now. Allow using this app. All right, I just submit my face, so please wait while we verify. So you can see right here, congratulations, you now have a Fairmoney bank account. So good. Then I'm gonna click on got it. So right here you can see, do you know, skip, save now. So you can see all these features right here. So Fairmoney gets debit card now, and also deposit salary and use Fairmoney daily to get high loan amount and lower interest rate. That's pretty amazing. So that is how you can upgrade your Fairmoney account.